Reality Jessica. Oh, good to get a very, of course, up to task media team. Well done. Bad Boy Timz. Now, make we talk about One in Town. Meanwhile, we a little bit been tell us one or two things when we say you did do and how you get your own company now.
Yes.
Yes.
Shock absorbers.
Shock absorbers, yes,
Yeah.
because I've been the conversation. I don't know, clear me on things where we say actually. I don't know if you really want to talk about them. If
No,
you
I
don't want to
don't
talk about them,
mind.
yeah. I really want to know where what thing happened, really.
So I've been signed to a formal label,
Yes.
but things be no work out between us. You know, the matter just plenty, police arrest, miscommunication here and there. So I just reason with them say more. Instead of us just say we just the fight,
Yes.
the scatter news. Maybe we just find we go our separate ways. You understand? Make everybody they work out their own. So after that discussion, we shall reach agreement. You understand? The agreement still dey ongoing, but as I dey like this, I dey on my own. I dey with my own people. I dey young and in charge. You understand?
I like that.
I dey in charge of my life, in charge of my
Young
business.
and in charge.
Yes.
Because most times they see I'm like say when people they signed, so many other things go come up from their hand. Things will be say, and you find out like say you they float.
Yes, sir.
And then at the end of the day, you go now, maybe when you finally disengage yourself, you could come find out say, oh, you get so many things where they happen where I be no. And so many people go judge you based on those things where they happen.
Yes, sir.
Where you not even get power to feel handle then. But I've been see what thing happen as more like distraction. Because you be they go somewhere then. So many things be they happen.
Yes, so many good things.
Yes, so many good things be they happen. But good to have your life back. Good to get them back. But I really not like okay, make I leave that angle
Talk
right now
now.
because no, it don't affect so many other artists.
I know.
You not be the first where you go happen to, okay, and you not go be the last.
Yes, so.
But where do we not draw the line? When I don't want make all these things come to happen again.
Me, I
You
feel
get-
like
believe
say
okay, yeah, go
the
ahead.
mistake where a lot of artists they make now say we know they get to know the person we sign us before we sign. You understand? The friendship know the first day there. You understand? Because we want blue. We get person. We don't see person we want drop money.
Yeah.
We no reason say relationship matter. Because for beginning everything goes sweet. My boss they do this one, they do that one for me. But what if they at a point they can't stop to they do the barest minimum? They just feel like say I make it just the float, that kind of thing. So you guys first be friends with whoever wants sign you. You guys first know them. You guys spend time with them, like say 3 to 6 months. Sabi the kind of person with them
Where him be.
Sabi wetin go vex am. Sabi wetin no go vex am. Sabi wetin you fit do to make am happy. Because wetin go make me happy if you make another person vex. You understand?
This one na master class now you just teach. Now anybody will get here, make by now I believe say go don't write them down. Say I think this is the way to go. And then make we save ourselves from all this problem. We say we don't tire to always talk about them. We say we don't. We don't tire to always come, oh, this artist get this problem, this person get that problem. You don't some people you don't affect them in a way where we say they even lose their social media platform because some of the handling and the logins and all that.
He did the label and Abi.
It tire me.
And mommy, I don't believe in that.
But
one.
I hope affect you in that angle.
My social media,
Yes.
no, I dey in control of my social media. They be one collect them.
Yes.
But I know me, I be very stubborn person. I know they agree for that kind of thing.
But most times go really be you if it be say maybe they have the agreement or something.
But they
I
my own agreement.
They your own agreement.
So, I mean, I dey
Awesome.
go strictly by agreement.
Awesome. At
from
least you
scratch.
get the sense before you start. Get people who don't get the sense at all.
Now why the guys go school now?
Aha. Man, bad boy things. Oh, deep. Please, when we go do our master class, there needs to be master
People like say
class.
they go guys call like 4-5 artists. We get leader issue.
Yes.
Talk their own
Please
matter.
do this thing. It's very important. We need to do them. And looking from cloud angle, we really need to do them because it's a serious thing. People need to learn, put them through on how you go to at what stage. When we say you go need do things where
I
you
no
need
go
to
lie
do.
to you. The way Nigeria be, everybody they ignorant. Even if we do the master class, people will go enter. They go still enter.
Because at that time,
they want to blow. They want blow. The blow they hot for their body, and that's why they do everybody.
but when the matter come cast and all of us they inside the matter because we go take sides.
Funny enough, so many people they will still dey inside record label. We be say their yansh they hot like this, but we they see them for outside. It's going.
They hate them, but still they happen.
Yes. Now when they won't come out, go the year 1 or 2 things. You go still hear many now.
I go still here. No, you go tell me off air later. Make I prepare myself. Wow, I love this conversation. Someone say, I love how both of you are talking. Are you people friends? What are you saying? We are not friends before.
We have been on air together before.
Yes, of course. Now, of course. That's why I go with Chris for you. Now, loading time.
Yes,
loading time. Yes. Okay, One in Town. I want to know where the inspiration for One in Town been coming.
One in Town. I've been there in love, seriously
hey,
in love.
Don't leave me remain now. Why you not give me memo now? Say you want go enter love now. You know, somebody I like that TikTok this. They say yesterday I been one fall in love. I stagger shout Jesus. That's why my eye clear. So Badboy Timz they fall in love. I don't say final.
But like this, the matter don't cast because
the love still cast again.
As a bad boy, I go still guys do my way. You understand? So everything does cast.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, because more like maybe you did too much in love with your music. I know if you cheat music, huh?
That's not the problem where they always get. They go to talk say na music over them, blah 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 blah.
But seriously, I when women or girls, anybody feel they free to date anybody when one day too because they're the word they hot now. They feel tell me now say che you are marginalizing us. Anybody if you turn at this tree now you want follow, go follow that tree. I beg. Now, when they begin to say things like, oh, you're pursuing your hustle or you're putting your hustle first before me. I don't know if I'm an evil person, no. Mona correct me. I don't understand. So I'm supposed to pursue you and then leave the hustle. But now that hustle now, we need them now.
That they also
to balance things.
That they also go even make them first of all notice you. You don't understand.
So then I go come now leave the hustle, come now follow love.
Or they say you know if you balance them. How? They also require a lot though.
Now why most people know they fall in love until they don't mellow down.
Even after the fame, how you want to know if person truly love you?
Hey, bad boys. Yeah, you ask me what happened. I'm going to ask you now.
No.
But how? but okay, make we check you now. As you date now.
Yeah.
How you go truly find love? It hard.
I don't know.
Now why they talk if you never find them since if you no find them?
Now only if love find me, the love chase me, follow me, drag. Now I go realize say okay, yes.
The love need to chase you. These days people don't even get for no date. They chase you around.
You guys find that fuel. Anybody where I go settle down with, guys, I don't know as I will take put on where I no go sound like dick, like brocos.
Yeah.
But like the person just guys love me. Finish. Maybe say you go turn mumu for me. Finish.
Why you go need to turn mumu? How you go turn mumu?
Me say I go turn mumu for the person, but the person mumu gas pass my own. Yes, 100%.
Okay, so it go hard now for us to find love because this love would have find now the time to feel can't turn down mumu now. I mean mumu for love, that's you fall for the person. You get I because una you they move from place to place. You they on the move.
Yes. So.
It actually they hard to catch you.
Yes.
Now for somebody we need to catch you now, maybe the person need to now follow you too.
Yes. You see, you got
but it they hard. You go feel accept make your manager or somebody where you work with will love you to not be part of your team. Yes, because if you mention 1 or 2 people and are waiting to happen right now.
I know where
you know.
I know where
you know where they go.
Yeah, I know where they go.
So because
those people get experience now.
But as before they get that experience, they did. Yes, because you know why? One tell me in sincerity when we get one-on-one conversation. She tell me say when she check him. Say she don't fall in love with this guy. She need to elevate herself to know this thing. Because if you don't know, time go come when that guy will push you aside.
I tell you.
So you go to stay for house.
She has elevate.
Yes, because she need to learn the job to know this thing, begin to pursue this thing, and then the guy now know I can't do without her.
Yes.
We need to now move.
Now the only way if you.
So now waiting go work for most of una we be artists.
I don't go lie for you. If you don't even still work.
I love this guy. Cheche, this conversation is deep. You know. But Lagos One in Town, make we feel the jam. And then I still want to know that person way fit. I don't know who break fast, ba?
No.
Nobody serve anybody.
The breakfast, the 2 of us sit down and chop on.
Superstar DJ Ido, the wheels are still Lagos feel one in town. uh, una sit down chop breakfast.
Yes,
You
now.
still can't run, come outside, can't sing my baby na one in town. Or no be how they talk about.
The funny thing I say, na like 3 days before I release this, to say I know see that breakfast they come. I for don't change the song where I want to drop. You know, understand?
Oh, the song don't go on before.
We don't submit time, all those things don't they go. You know, say me, I big Bedu boy now.
Yes.
But you know, say as I did on my own, I know I guess they express as I they feel at the moment. You know, understand? Now the kind of person where I be that.
She must be special for you to talk. Say she be one in town.
Yes, now, but we don't chop breakfast. You they move ahead.
So which number she be now for town?
You like number 51.
Lagos, how they go break and they come back, no touch your diamond boy Timz. They here with us. In town. Hey, when I go begin to sing for person, say I be one in town. Now why I go
If you
far?
start now, the song don't be.
Person need to do something to qualify. That means I need to find a love now.
Yes, so.
So I go now rhyme with the song. Huh. To find I know easy, but I must find. But for now, Jesus is one in town.
Yes, so. Jesus is one in town.
Hey, Cheche, Badboy Timz, thank you for running away from a love that want to cripple you. Who told you? Now so they carry placard now. The bad boy teams say love want to cripple. No love want to cripple. They put on the job breakfast. So bad boy teams, are you single? Say it officially. Somebody they ask you. Are you single? He's entangled.
Yes, I'm single.
Oh, you're single.
Yeah.
I thought you're in complicationship or situationship. You don't even know the ship where you did, but there's a ship.
I did plenty ship like this.
Cheche, I love him so much. Please, when is he going to collaborate again with Olamide? Okay. Cheche, is he planning to give us EP anytime soon? I suspect.
Yes.
Okay. So
like
people don't they see through your heart now.
Young and in charge.
Young and in charge.
I just come back from Yankee, so many workings don't go down. This year, towards the end of this year, like last quarter of the year.
Yes.
It's coming.
Okay. And then you get plenty other worker when you they do also. This EP or get collaborations?
Yeah, now LP actually.
Oh, now LP. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Collaborations, Yankee artists. Move from side to side, remix, self, loading.
Yeah. Okay, loading remix coming up. You get, I know so many of them have been they react when it comes to Grammy and all that.
Me, I want chop Grammy, Sha. I don't know about anybody.
You want chop up?
Yes.
But una like quarrel too much. Why some of una? I know be artists now. Why they say some of una? Why some of una they get problem with say? Why do they feel like say they cheat on or something? Get something where they know do. They know the value. Why? Why do they feel like that?
I mean, for the last Grammy, we fit tell obviously say.
Obviously, what now?
Say politics did there.
Which politics, bad boy teams? But she deserved that award. Really.
Whiskey deserved it as well.
Okay.
Yes, now.
Yes, they both deserve, but there must be one winner now.
Yes, now. But not be by achievement of the song. Now they go always give award. I they ask which criteria did they use?
What did they fight for? The lyrics of your song.
Oh.
What did your song stand for?
What did they fight for? Oh.
Yes.
So song we chat for how many?
The sound of your song too.
Oh, now today look.
No, you're not gonna need to sound too European or too Yankees.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that for this.
But now their award now then get Grammy. Now we get them. Why would like fight?
You know they fair, Sha.
You know they fair. You they
Yes.
dark now. At least we like our melanin. We start our own. But bad boy teams, things we get loads and loads of national awards or even Pan-African things where would they do. Why we not they fight like that? Why now? We need validation with Grammys.
Now the biggest achievement for artists now.
Awesome. I like that.
Yes, now. If you don't chop Grammy, you don't.
You know go sleep, but someone wants to chop Grammy, what don't start?
Work starts, but you don't get that achievement. That achievement will be fight for you for so many places. Yes, now.
Now I know.
Now, like when I chop Eddies, you fight for me for some kind of places, but now when my issue starts, so I know enjoy everything. You understand?
I feel.
So if person chop Grammy, you can tell now from the people who don't chop Grammy, you can see the growth. It is rapid.
The industry, you get a lot of things where they happen. I understand say love day, but then the fight also day.
Yes,
You
now
understand?
we think make am industry with that now.
So fight and love must day.
Yes, now.
A bit of something.
Yes.
You don't get issues with the artist. I don't want to talk. You get one I hear, but I don't want to mention. I want to make I hear from you.
Which one you?
I don't know. You know, say the two they always tell me something. We their media, we they hear things.
Me, I just feel like say no be everybody feel like you. As long as say if everybody like you, then be like they do something right. They try please everybody.
But you get plenty ginger. You they like.
Me, if I don't see your ginger don't match my ginger like this till 20 years to come.
Rapture if you don't happen that time. One in town with a plan to shoot video out.
I shoot the video for Yankee, so
okay. This saw the Yankee. Oh, please, sorry, excuse me. We got 2 passports now.
No. But
I need to be asking questions.
I've been going Yankee for like recording camp.
Okay.
With my distro Empire.
Yes.
Yeah, so
you get you they're affiliated with you get.
now they distribute my music.
You not big boy now.
What's a man go do now?
You not big boy. No wonder they fight. They fight big fights.
I know they fight. I know they follow anybody fight.
Now why does your fight now conglomerate fight? Me that's like they're gonna fight this kind of fight. Bad boy teams. You see why there are level to these things. No everybody go. Where they go.
I don't get issue with anybody.
Some people get issue with you.
They go there alright.
Okay, make una dey alright. Me, I'm on bad boy team side. Oh, that's your business. Oh my goodness. says, hi, Cheche, can we say hello on the phone? No, Jessica will come there. We don't want her to come there. Where that the girl will break her now? Okay, so I'm sorry. The girl will both of natural breakfast. Where's she there now? You don't even know. You just come back from Yankee, right?
I just come back from Yankee, so I don't really know.
See, manager, if you look me that eye, you go outside. Though. Me, I don't want to hear that one. What? Who even I go do interview? Manager sit down for she. Manager go outside beg. My ask what I want ask to. What's happen? I couldn't look my mouth before I ask question.
But she did alright.
She did alright.
Yeah,
she don't find that person. No concern yourself.
I don't think she will find another person.
She's so sweet. I'm not swear the swear.
No be swear now. I just say.
She don't get good character.
No, she did try, but I don't tell you saying. I mean, am I doings? Am I doings?
Surest doings. Well done.
I want to tell you, say, if person love you as artist, they will find you regardless of.
If you love artists, level up. Learn one or two. It's either branding, PR.
Or maybe you won't be lawyer.
Oh, you want to be lawyer? I'm not the lawyer, not the champion. Make I go do 4 years for course now. By the time I come out, I see you. Hey, hi, Badboy. I introduce myself.
Yes,
I think I need a girlfriend like this. Who will come teach me law now? Because now where would they go now? Manager, warn you again. Stop laughing. When we are laughing, you are laughing. Why? Entertainment lawyer, please enjoy your life. I don't know that on a time I'm gonna cash out everywhere. Then you that's into branding, PR, everything. I'm cashing out. You know, just like your brand. We need to make it. We need to project you more. Oh God. Oh God. Now you're talking. Now Badboy will not fall in love with you. Manager will be saying, "Don't do that." He say, this is where I'm gonna be with this guy. Cheche, this is such an interesting interview. You know, I just gisting. Badboy, this one just returned from Yankee now. I know lots and lots of things to do, right?
Yes, sir.
And collaborations. And I hope this your up where they come out, Ladies Day inside. Yes, I hit you.
The move remix. Nah, woman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Africa and Nigeria.
No. Yankee woman.
What's in beyond this Yankee thing now? What's happen?
That market is important.
Which market? Because they pursue this Grammy now. Now I know.
Grab your copy now.
No! Okay, my goodness. I enjoy this. I don't even want to make you stop for this interview right now. But what do you do to relax, actually? You ever find time to relax?
Yeah, I like to watch movies.
Movies?
And
Nice.
sometimes I just like the YouTube. They learn 1 or 2 new things.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Pounded yam and egusi.
Who want pound them? The girl where you don't push.
If it be pounded too.
If it be pound. The one where they
Pound is
don't do
good.
for a restaurant.
Yeah, it's going.
It's going to. With which soup? Egusi?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, no.
You look a foriro to me.
No. I don't mind the 4 road though.
You don't mind. It's
Yeah, I don't
Sadesi
mind. I
vision.
don't mind,
Forget.
bro. That egusi, no be raw. Egusi we get for inside though. No be.
Which one be this combo now? Which
No
one be
be-
this girl for
You know those egusi.
Choose one.
You know
Now
say,
place.
you know say egusi day we be saying I just egusi.
Okay, Gusi we get for inside. I understand.
Yes. Alasik bon. I did the column.
I was like,
Yeah.
oh, your mama, Yoruba, baby. It's shine for your forehead.
Yes.
I love this artist, even though they like. Okay, I see you. Hi, Badboy Timz. Can I apply? Apply for what? Are you entertainment lawyer? Are you one? Cause so that you go there see. You feel that I say Badboy Timz. I think your song was played in Australia. They need to pay us for.
Yes.
You speak the English before you know, manager will receive. I'm like, why? What it is? I love it. I love when people they do things to better each other. Maybe you don't hear. I'm jokingly. It be like say with a laugh, but we're not laughing really. If you there any relationship, we be say no. If you better person craft, I don't know what they do there. Or your own NATO come and Netflix and chill. Who get that time?
Come and do.
Badboy Timz. Thank you very much. What are you not going to do before? Not here, please. Badboy Timz, please. Where do people go follow your social media platform?
All my social media platform at BADBOYTIMZ. Now there.
Oh shit.
Yes. And my Snapchat, they just deactivate the old one.
Why? What do you do for them? You don't go do. You go come shirt for them.
0220.
What is this? You did TikTok?
Yeah.
Yes, I think. Please, make we do collaboration now with sharp.
Yes, sir.
Please, we could just drop our one in town
Yes,
moves
sir.
for them. We get any dance steps?
Yes, I get to.
Please come teach me.
We go do
I
am
use
now.
God beg
We go
you.
do am now.
I use God beg
We
you.
go do
Teach
am now,
me,
we
teach
go do
me.
am. You know how that talk.
And very soon now, they one go study entertainment law. I dey find one help. Manager outside for the last time. All right, Lagos, and that much go for you. I hope that you enjoy your time
Yes,
on
so
top
I
this
really
particular
enjoy my
segment.
time. I
I
no go
do.
lie.
So
I
these
no
are
go
just
lie.
conversation. We know the when did this start? When did we enjoy conversation? Okay.
Yes, so.
At least no go. When they run back to Yankee, the way where they see you.
I dey count down like this.
You count down. You know, no say election,
But
no
like-
contest.
Eh?
You know better Nigeria. You want go collect Grammy? No
You
go
want
tell
make
them
I
where you come from.
contest? 022.
Like as I come back, no touch it. Go catch the recap of this segment on YouTube, on Facebook, Wazobia FM. Find us, and please somebody find me digital. Please, I need to do that collaboration on TikTok with Badboy team. Badboy
Yes, sir.
teams. Boom.
Yeah. Bad boy Timz in the building.